What's up guys? Kumusta kayo? It's me again, Joseph Kate. So for today's video guys, let's talk about best BDO credit card for beginners. So as you can see guys, best BDO credit card for beginners. Kasi para sa mga baguhan na nag-aasam na magkaroon ng BDO credit card. So since baguhan pa lang kayo, ano nga ba yung pinakamagandang or pinaka-the best BDO credit card for you para i-welcome ka sa credit card world? Since BDO is the leading bank here in the Philippines, so it's a good idea talaga na you should go for BDO credit card. Since kayo ay baguhan, I will guide you to a best BDO credit card para sa inyo. Pero bago yan, nais muna kitang imbitahan na mag-subscribe sa YouTube channel ko kung bago ka pa lang, kasi marami pa akong i-share ng mga tutorials, knowledge, and experience of mine in the future. Kaya naman huwag niyong kalimutan mag-subscribe para updated kayo live sa mga vlogs na i-upload ko. Yun lang po at sobrang maraming salamat po. So as you can see guys, for beginners, the top BDO credit card are the BDO Visa Classic and the BDO Standard Mastercard. So kumbaga ito yung mga credit card guys na mabilis lang ma-reach yung required annual income requirement. Kasi nasa 180,000 lamang ito. Good for minimum wage earners. Kasi naman, you know naman, minimum wage earners. So, these cards are highly recommended due to their low income requirements and straightforward features, making them ideal for the first-time card holders. Tulad ng sabi ko, parang beginner-friendly siya. Then, recommended cards for beginners. So, here guys, para sa BDO Visa Classic. A simple, flexible card with worldwide recognition, no? Di ba? Kahit ano lang siya, simple card, pero it comes with worldwide recognition. Focusing on everyday spending, it offers 0% interest on installments at partner stores. So take note lang guys na partner stores lang siya. So baka kasi magpunta kayo sa isang hindi partner stores, ipipilit nyo na 0% since nakalagay, hindi po. Hindi po lahat. Partner stores lang niya. So ngayon, malalaman nyo rin yan guys. Kasi paiba-iba kasi yung partner stores nila. Hindi ko pwedeng sabihin na yung ganito kasi time will come, magbabago din siya. So kapag nagkaroon na kayo ng ganito, ng BDO Visa Classic, so alamin nyo na lang yung mga partner stores nila. Din yung annual income requirement, tulad ng sabi ko, 180,000 lang siya. Then next is yung BDO Standard Mastercard. Offers broad acceptance and rewards points on groceries and gas purchases. It also includes 0% installment options at various merchants. So tulad ng sabi ko, nag-o-offer din siya ng 0% installment at various partner merchants. Din yung income requirement niya, annual. So baka kasi isipin nyo guys na monthly ito ha. Mataas yung 180,000 sa monthly. So ito ay annual. So meaning, yung kinita nyo sa buong taon, di ba, sumasahod kayo halimbawa ng 20,000. So 20,000 times 12. So, kung magkano yun, di ba? Nasa 200 plus din yun. So, pasok yung earnings nyo na yun. 180,000 lang kasi. Then, next is yung BDO Shop More Mastercard. Ito yung first ever credit card ko sa BDO. Tapos, nagkaroon ako ng gold, yun. Tapos, yun. You have to start at the lower part talaga since kayo ay beginner. Kasi baguhan lang din ako sa BDO credit card. So, the time will come, tataas yung tier ng credit card ninyo sa BDO. Kaya naman i-enjoy nyo lang yung panimulang credit cards ninyo. BDO Shop More Mastercard is great for frequent shoppers at SM stores. Since from the word itself, BDO Shop More. Shop More. Kaya naman, since si BDO ay ano siya ni SM, parang affiliated, it comes with different perks and benefits if you are going to use it inside SM department stores. Offering exclusive deals, a free SM Advantage card, and rebates during SM 3-day sales. So ito guys, napapansin ko kapag, kasi nasa SM ako dati nag-work, maganda siya kasi para sa mga BDO card holders, may extra 10% discount para sa mga BDO credit card holders, plus 0% monthly installments, then pay 3 months before, mga ganun. Ang dami-daming perks and benefits kapag ikaw ay BDO Shop More Mastercard holder ni BDO. Then yung minimum income requirement niya per year is 180,000 pesos. Then BDO Blue from American Express. So ito guys, social American Express. As you can see, Amex. A good entry-level option with a relatively affordable annual fee and benefits like purchase protection and points for every 40 pesos spent. So, in every 40 pesos spent, makakapag-earn kayo ng BDO rewards points. Din yung income requirement niya rin is 180,000 pesos lang. So, why these cards are great for beginners? So, bakit nga ba itong mga nabanggit ko na credit cards is maganda siya sa mga beginners? Low barrier to entry. They have the lowest minimum annual income requirement among BDO's offering. So, ito yung may pinakamababang income requirement. Kasi yung gold, platinum, visa, signature, iba na yun. Mas mataas na, umabot ng million-million yung income requirement nun. Lalo na yung platinum or visa signature. Then, they have the lowest minimum annual income requirement, as I have just said, making them more accessible to individuals just starting their credit journey. Kasi guys, building credit history or credit score is not overnight. It takes time. It's a journey actually. So, you have to use your credit card, then pay it on time, avoid late payment fees. Kasi kapag may late payment fees ka, of course, late ka na nagbayad, nagkaroon ka ng lapses sa payments mo. Then, simple rewards. The rewards programs are straightforward, typically earning 1 point per fixed amount spent. Example is 50 pesos, which is easy to track. So, di yung mga credit card na, okay, maka-spend ka ng 1,000 pesos, may points ka agad. Di tulad sa BDO Platinum, may iba-ibang terms and conditions yun na kailangan yung ma-meet before nyo ma-enjoy yung perks and benefits niya. Installment options. All the recommended beginner cards provide buy now, pay later. So, yung mga nabanggit ng credit card, guys, is nag-offer sila ng buy now, pay later. Schemes with 0% interest at the wide network of partner merchants, helping new users manage your purchase responsibly. Then, foundation for credit history is using these basic cards responsibly is an excellent way to build a positive credit history. So, tulad na sabi ko, building credit history is a journey. It doesn't happen overnight, which can lead to upgrades to more premium cards in the future. So, kapag okay siya, i-offeran ka nila na i-upgrade yung credit card na yon at hanggang sa maabot mo yung pinakamataas na tier ni BDO credit cards. Then, how to apply? You can apply for these cards online via BDO website or by visiting a local branch. Ensure you have proof of income and identification ready for a smooth application process. So, since ito ay credit card, of course, it requires proof of income talaga. Hindi siya pwedeng pupunta ka lang doon so wala kang daldala. Of course, kailangan yung IDs, proof of identification, and then yung proof of income, of course. Then, yon. Kailangan nyo rin malaman, guys, na siyempre, ingatan nyo yung credit history. Tulad ko, sabi ko, kasi nagbe-build pa lang kayo ng credit history ninyo so para ma-offeran kayo for a higher tier of credit card. Kasi since ito ay yun nga, sorry to say this, ito yung pinaka-lowest tier ni BDO credit card. So, kapag okay yung credit history ninyo, responsible kayo sa mga spendings ninyo, o-offeran kayo ng BDO na i-upgrade yun into higher tier na meron sila na credit cards. So, I think that's all for now. So, sana may na-share ko. Don't forget to subscribe for my videos. It's me again, Joseph Kate, that says, we don't have cash because we go for cashless transactions. Bye-bye!